What's going on, everyone? 4 and 3 Bros back with another video. Today, I'm going to be plasti dipping the grill. So, I don't like the way the grill looks silver. So I had a 97 back in the day, pictures here, and I wanted to see how the grill would look black, so I plasti dipped it. Honestly, I think I did one can when I did it on my red 97. And today I'm going to be doing 2 full cans. That way they're super easy to peel and it's a little thicker, a little bit more durable. I did this probably about 6 years ago when I had my red one, and it held up great. It held up. I had it for 2 years. I did it probably 6 months or so into having it, and it held up fantastic in these very cold New England weathers. So New England winters. So I'm not really worried about durability. This isn't a full how-to or anything like that. If you guys want to see a how-to, check out Fonzie over at Dip Your Car. They are the best. This is what they do. Alright, so everything's masked off. And we have a first coat down. As you can see, there's about 50% coverage, and that's what you're looking for when you are applying plasti dip. Like I said, not really going to be a how-to or anything like that. This is just how I apply it based on what is recommended. Not a professional, and I took out the beauty rings. I'm going to do those black as well. Just kind of masked everything off. Fenders I don't really care about because the fenders I'm cutting off anyways to put the MCE flares that I have on. So yeah, quick little update. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of progress as I do it. So we have 4 full coats. 4 full coats. Might be 5. Might be the 5th coat. And we got the beauty rings down here. So as you can see, it's starting to take shape now. I'm pretty much going to, that was 1 whole can. I have 1 more full can I just finished on the beauty rings. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the whole last can, and I'm going to unwrap this and put the beauty rings back in, and yeah. All right. What do you guys think? Keep in mind, those fenders are gone. I have MCE flat fenders to put on, and the bumper's got to get painted, the sway bar's got to get painted, and the sway bar cover is still going to get painted, and the beauty rings are down here drying. So yeah, guys, I love it. Love it. So I used probably about, I used the 1 full can, and I used 3/4 of the other can. I purposely left just a little bit in case I have any touch-ups that I had to do when I peeled all the masking off, and I didn't have anything, so it came out perfect. Now, this stuff gets a bad rep because people don't know how to use it properly. It's a really easy tool to use when you know how to use it properly. So I took the beauty rings off, wiped everything down with a with some alcohol. You can use, you know, glass cleaner or whatever. You can use pre-dip spray, whatever you have. And I only had a little bit of rock chips here and there on it, and it ended up looking great. Like I said, the beauty rings are down there drying, I showed you, and I got other things in the works, but for now, I love it. I think this was a great, you know, cans are $6 at Walmart. You know, I used 2 cans, it's $12 plus $3 roll of masking tape, so call it 15, 20 bucks, and yeah, you know, it looks good. Enough rambling. I hope you guys like this video. stay tuned. I am going to be doing the body work soon, and I'm going to be putting on stickers on the sides. A couple little things here and there. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Later.